Good morning, friends and teachers. This is Neville Shah from class 6th B. Now I am going to tell you some information about my favorite tree, banana tree.
The banana tree is very common tree in our country. It is not technically a tree, but instead it is a large herb. It grows in some other countries in Asia and Latin America also. The banana tree is not really a tree. Its trunk is made up of many barks. Its body has no wood. The barks are one upon another and thus they make the body. The barks are soiled like a sponge. The tree has no branches. It has big and broad leaves at the top. Most of the bananas produced is consumed is inside the country. Half of it is used as vegetable while ripe banana is a nourishing fruit. The tree is light green, it looks pretty. The tree does not grow from seeds. Shoots come out from the old banana tree. These shoots are taken out from the mother plant. Holes are made into the ground some 6 or 7 cubits apart. Then the young shoots are placed in these holes. The foot of the plant is covered with loose earth. The plant of banana requires a hot and humid climate. Temperature conditions between 25 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius, not less than 11 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall above 150 cm and well-drained clayey soil rich in humans are best suited to this crop.
Male and female flowers are borne in a cluster at the tip of the stem. Female flower eventually mature into banana fruits. The tree grows quickly, but it does not grow in water. With proper cultural care and acceptable environment conditions, bananas should be able to yield fruits that may depend on specific banana types be palatable. The tree gives fruit only once and then it dies. All the banana plants can produce edible fruits, but the taste, seediness, color, and other characteristics depend on the species or variety. At the very top of the plant, there conizes out a cluster with some 50 or more fruits on it. In shape, size, they look like tiny fingers. Day by day, they grow bigger and thicker. When one or two of the fruit look yellow, the bunch is cutted off and kept in the house. After sonic days, many of the fruits ripen and become soft. Then they are fit to eat. Ripe bananas have a smell. They are tasteful and nutritious.
Bananas are much in demand, so the cultivation of banana tree can bring us money. Today it is an important fruit in the tropical region of the world. Banana is rich in minerals and vitamins.
So this was all about the banana tree. See you later. Goodbye.